If ChatGPT isn't working in your browser, like it won't load, you're getting weird error messages, or it just doesn't respond, here are a few things you can try to fix it. First, try clearing your browser cache and cookies in Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then look for Privacy and Security. Click on Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time and make sure the boxes for cookies and cache files are checked. Then click Clear Data. This can help clear out anything that might be interfering with how ChatGPT loads. Next, try turning off your browser extensions. Some add-ons, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, can block parts of the site from working. Click the three dots again. Go to Extensions or Manage Extensions and toggle them off one by one to see if one of them is causing the issue. If it's still not working, try using Incognito mode. That opens a clean session with no extensions. In Chrome, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Go to chat.openai.com. Log in and see if it works there. Still stuck? Try switching browsers entirely. Use Edge, Firefox, or Brave. Restart your computer and even your router just to rule out a network issue. Also, make sure your operating system and browser are fully updated. Outdated software can sometimes block sites from loading properly. And finally, you can check OpenAI's status page online to make sure it's not a problem on their end. Sometimes it's just server-side maintenance or a temporary outage, which resolves on its own after a while.